is Saija Kuusela, and I work at the Finnish Environment Institute in Finland, in Helsinki.
What are your concerns about forests?
In the Finnish context, I think the concern is just how to put in different goals and ideas together when it comes to forests and the services that they provide. So there's lots of pressure on forests at the moment in Finland because of the bioeconomy, and we need to kind of change our way of living out from the fossil fuels, and that's of course putting pressure on natural resources like forests. And then at the same time we need to make sure that the forest biodiversity is still going on, and we have a lot of forest biodiversity and stuff like that. And then there's of course other issues too, like recreation, water quality issues, climate change, buffering and hindering of climate change and stuff like that. So there's lots of issues that you need to kind of reconcile and put together.
Okay, well this sounds really complex. What is your role in working with these issues? What is your work in this project?
Well, in this project we are dealing with the Finnish case study. So I'm the scientific partner, but I'm working on the Finnish case, or the innovation in Finland, and that's about the ecological compensation system that we're trying to set up in Finland, and especially to try to find these biodiversity-rich places from the Finnish forest owners who are actually family forest owners, so private forest owners, and that those actors who eventually destroy forests with some actions like construction of a road or whatever, that those people could actually then, or businesses could actually put some money into protecting these biodiversity rich places, or then even restoring them, or putting some money in that way back to the nature. So kind of trying to compensate the loss that they eventually have to make elsewhere.
Does this idea of compensating forest losses with money to forest owners, does this have a name? Does your innovation have a name?
Yeah, we have been talking about a habitat bank in a way as a larger umbrella on this ecological compensation. So that's one term that we are using.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you very much for being here. As a very last question, I would like to ask you, what would you like the forest project to achieve, InnoForESt as a whole?
Wow, that's a big question, but it's very relevant, of course. We know it's an innovation project. So for me, it's a very peculiar thing. Like, if we succeed, does it mean that all the different innovations in different regions must succeed? I don't actually see it that way, but it's that the project itself could be innovative. I think that might be something worthwhile, that we could actually show that we as a project can evolve and find new kinds of solutions and to support these innovations, and then that these practical cases or innovations could actually proceed after the project funding is over. That's always a challenge, and that will be a great achievement if we can reach that.